Hi there guys, in today's video of the VinylCut, we'll be looking at how to convert text to paths. Let's just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different software we cover, and also we upload daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we head back in the program here. Now there's three basic ways we can do this, but one disclaimer and note before you guys go ahead. Understand that once you convert text to a path, you can no longer edit the text, so it becomes a shape and you're not able to change things on it. So it's a destructive form of editing, but yeah, it's just good to keep that in mind. So now the first and most easiest way, or most common way most probably, is if we just select this top path and we go to our top drop down menu, we go to text and say convert text to outline. So that's basically like converting it to a path. We click that. Now we can see if we select our text tool here, it's no longer editable. And then also if we go to our layers panel, you can see here it's created a group out of it, and inside the group there's a lot of layers. If we just quickly ungroup this, so we go to object, ungroup. Now if we select our node tool, you can see that these are now nodes, so there's no longer editable text. Let's just undo that. So now the second method is we can go here to path, go to union or alt U. We have another video tutorial where we cover this tool, so if you're not sure how it works, you can just have a look there. Now if we select that, if we look on our layers menu here, we can see that it is no longer editable. So if we go to our node tool, you can see now it's a lot of nodes that we can edit. And then the last way, we can go on top here to object. Then from the top drop down, we go to merge, which will be Control Shift B. We select this once again on our layers panel. You can see that it's no longer able to edit. Go to our node, and we can see it's actually a path. Yeah, that's the basics on converting text to a path. So there's three ways we can do that. We head to our website here. You guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za and find this video. We also have a variety of different software we do cover, and a lot of other videos we also have. Then we've got a search option if you want to isolate your search and look for something specific. And also if you don't find what you're looking for, just go here on top, request the training video, then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.